Welcome to Class 7 of ITMaster, where we embark on an exciting journey in the realm of website customization through widgets and menus. Today, we're diving deep into the world of widgets, those versatile tools that can breathe life into your website and enhance its functionality in countless ways. Widgets are like digital building blocks, offering a wide range of functionalities that can be seamlessly integrated into your website's design. From displaying recent posts and social media feeds to adding interactive forms and multimedia elements, widgets empower you to personalize your website and engage your audience in meaningful ways. In this introductory session, we'll start by demystifying widgets and understanding their fundamental nature. We'll explore the diverse array of widgets available, each serving a unique purpose and catering to different aspects of website customization. Whether you're looking to add a dynamic slideshow, a subscription form, or a weather forecast widget, you'll discover a wealth of options at your fingertips. But widgets are more than just eye-catching elements on your website. They play a crucial role in website customization. They allow you to tailor your site's layout and functionality to suit your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a corporate website, widgets enable you to enhance user experience, increase engagement, and achieve your desired outcomes. So, as we embark on this journey into the world of widgets, get ready to unleash your creativity and elevate your website to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or a budding enthusiast, there's always something new to learn and explore in the dynamic world of website customization. So, let's dive in and unlock the full potential of widgets together. Welcome to Class 7, Customizing Your Website with Widgets and Menus. Now that we have a solid understanding of what widgets are and their significance in website customization, let's delve into using them effectively. In this segment, we'll explore how to access and manage widgets in your website's dashboard, how to add widgets to different areas of your website, customize them to suit your needs, and discuss some best practices for widget usage. Accessing and managing widgets in your website's dashboard. Navigate to your website's admin dashboard. Look for the Widgets section, typically found under the Appearance or Customize menu. Here, you'll find a list of available widgets and the areas where they can be added to your website's layout. Adding widgets to different areas of your website. Identify the areas where you want to add widgets, such as the sidebar, footer, or any widget-ready sections of your theme. Drag and drop widgets from the available widgets list into the desired widget areas. Some themes might offer specific widget areas tailored to certain functionalities, e.g., a header widget area for social media icons. Explore your theme's documentation for more information. Customizing widgets to suit your website's needs. Once a widget is added to a widget area, you can customize its settings by clicking on it. Depending on the widget type, you may be able to configure options such as titles, content, appearance, and functionality. Experiment with different configurations to achieve the desired look and functionality for your website. Best practices for widget usage. Keep it simple. Avoid cluttering your website with too many widgets. Focus on the ones that add value to your content and user experience. Consistency is key. Maintain a consistent design and layout across your widgets to ensure a cohesive look and feel. Mobile friendly. Ensure that your widgets are responsive and mobile friendly, as an increasing number of users access websites from mobile devices. Regular maintenance. Periodically review and update your widgets to ensure they're functioning properly and serving their intended purpose. Test and monitor. Test your widgets across different browsers and devices to ensure compatibility and usability. Monitor their performance and make adjustments as needed. By following these guidelines and exploring the diverse range of widgets available, you can effectively enhance your website's functionality and engage your audience in meaningful ways. Remember, widgets are powerful tools, but their effectiveness lies in how well they're integrated into your website's design and how they contribute to a seamless user experience. Now, let's shift our focus to navigation menus, an essential aspect of website design that significantly influences user experience and accessibility. In this section, we'll explore the importance of navigation menus, how to create custom menus in WordPress or other platforms, adding various elements like pages, categories, and custom links, and finally, styling and organizing menus for an optimal user experience. Importance of navigation menus in website design. Navigation menus serve as roadmaps for users, guiding them through your website's content and helping them find what they're looking for quickly and efficiently. A well-designed navigation menu enhances user experience, reduces bounce rates, and encourages visitors to explore more pages on your website. Clear and intuitive navigation menus can improve website usability and contribute to overall user satisfaction. Creating custom menus in WordPress or other platforms. In WordPress, navigate to the Menus section under the Appearance menu in the admin dashboard. Create a new menu and give it a descriptive name, e.g., Main Menu, Footer Menu, etc. Select the pages, categories, custom links, or other content items you want to include in your menu from the available options. Customize the menu structure by dragging and dropping items to rearrange their order. Adding pages, categories, and custom links to menus. Pages. Add pages to your menu to provide direct access to important sections of your website, such as About Us, Services, Contact, etc. Categories. If you have a blog or a website with categorized content, add category links to your menu to help users navigate to specific topics or sections. Custom links. Include custom links to external websites, resources, or specific sections within your website that aren't represented by pages or categories. Styling and organizing menus for optimal user experience. Choose a menu layout and styling that complements your website's design and branding. Ensure readability by using clear and legible font styles, appropriate colors, and sufficient contrast between text and background. Organize menu items logically and hierarchically, with important pages/categories at the top level and subpages/categories nested accordingly. Consider incorporating drop-down menus or mega menus for websites with extensive content or multiple sections. Test your menu across different devices and screen sizes to ensure responsiveness and usability. By focusing on these principles and best practices, you can create navigation menus that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your website but also improve user engagement and satisfaction. Remember, navigation menus are the gateway to your website's content, so investing time and effort into their design and optimization can yield significant benefits in terms of user experience and overall website performance. Let's explore how to enhance your website with Sidebar widgets, a valuable tool for organizing content and enhancing user experience. We'll cover understanding the sidebar's role in website layout, adding and arranging widgets, popular sidebar widgets for different website types, and tips for optimizing sidebar widgets for maximum impact. Understanding the sidebar and its role in website layout. The sidebar is a vertical column typically located alongside the main content area of a web page. It serves as a supplementary space for displaying additional content, navigation elements, or interactive features. The sidebar's role can vary depending on the website's design and purpose, but it often includes widgets that complement the main content and provide additional functionality. Adding and arranging widgets in the sidebar. Access your website's dashboard and navigate to the Widgets section. Locate the sidebar widget area and drag desired widgets from the available list into the sidebar section. Arrange the widgets within the sidebar by dragging and dropping them into the desired order. Consider the flow of content and user engagement when arranging widgets to ensure a cohesive and intuitive experience. Popular sidebar widgets for different website types. Blog, recent posts, popular posts, categories, tags, social media follow buttons, newsletter subscription form. Portfolio, featured projects, testimonials, about me/us, contact information, social media links. Business, contact information, business hours, services/products, testimonials, call to action buttons, promotional offers. Tips for optimizing sidebar widgets for maximum impact. Relevance, choose widgets that are relevant to your website's content and audience. Visual appeal, use visually appealing graphics, icons, and colors to make widgets stand out and attract attention. Space management, avoid cluttering the sidebar with too many widgets. Prioritize the most important ones and maintain a clean layout. Regular updates, keep sidebar content fresh and updated to encourage return visits and engagement. Track performance, use analytics tools to track the performance of sidebar widgets and adjust them based on user interactions and feedback. By leveraging the sidebar effectively and selecting widgets that align with your website's goals and audience preferences, you can enhance user engagement, improve navigation, and provide valuable supplementary content that enriches the overall browsing experience. Remember to regularly review and update your sidebar widgets to ensure they continue to serve their intended purpose and contribute to the success of your website. Let's delve into utilizing footer widgets to their fullest potential, understanding their significance in website design, adding and configuring widgets in the footer area, exploring creative uses for showcasing content and features, and considering design considerations for footer widgets. The significance of footer widgets in website design. Footer widgets play a crucial role in website design by providing additional space for content, navigation, and engagement opportunities. They contribute to the overall user experience by offering supplementary information, enhancing website navigation, and reinforcing branding elements. Footer widgets are often the last element visitors interact with before leaving a website, making them valuable for leaving a lasting impression or encouraging further exploration. Adding and configuring widgets in the footer area. Access your website's dashboard and navigate to the Widgets section. Locate the footer widget areas, which may be divided into columns or sections depending on your theme. Drag and drop desired widgets from the available list into the footer widget areas. Configure each widget's settings, such as titles, content, appearance, and functionality, to align with your website's goals and design. Creative uses of footer widgets for showcasing content and features. Contact information. Display your contact details, including address, phone number, email, and social media links, to make it easy for visitors to reach out. Sitemap. Provide a sitemap or navigation menu in the footer to help users navigate to different sections of your website. Call to action. CTA includes CTAs such as newsletter sign-up forms, special offers, or download links to encourage conversions and engagement. Testimonials. Showcase customer testimonials or reviews to build trust and credibility with visitors. Featured content. Highlight featured products, blog posts, or portfolio items to draw attention to key offerings or achievements. Design considerations for footer widgets. Consistency. Maintain visual consistency with the rest of your website's design, including color schemes, typography, and branding elements. Balance. Ensure a balanced layout by spacing out widgets evenly and avoiding overcrowding or excessive whitespace. Responsive design. Optimize footer widgets for responsiveness across various devices and screen sizes to provide a seamless browsing experience for all users. Accessibility. Ensure that footer content is accessible to all users, including those using assistive technologies, by adhering to accessibility standards and guidelines. Performance. Keep the number of footer widgets in check to prevent performance issues and maintain fast page load times. By utilizing footer widgets effectively and thoughtfully, you can enhance the overall functionality, usability, and appeal of your website, leaving a positive impression on visitors and encouraging further engagement. Experiment with different widget combinations and designs to find the optimal configuration that best serves your website's objectives and audience needs. In this hands-on practice session, we'll walk through a guided demonstration of adding widgets to your website and creating custom navigation menus. Additionally, we'll explore some tips and tricks for effective widget and menu management to help you streamline your website customization process. Adding widgets to your website. Access your website's admin dashboard. Navigate to the Widgets section under the Appearance menu. Browse through the available widgets and drag the desired ones, e.g., recent posts, categories, search, etc., into the sidebar or footer widget areas. Customize each widget's settings as needed, such as titles, content, and appearance options. Preview your website to see how the widgets appear in the designated areas. Experiment with different widget configurations to find the ones that best complement your website's content and design. Creating and customizing navigation menus. Go to the Menus section under the Appearance menu in your website's dashboard. Click on Create a new menu and give it a descriptive name, e.g., Main Menu. Select the pages, categories, custom links, or other content items you want to include in your menu from the available options on the left side. Drag and drop the selected items into the menu structure area to arrange them in the desired order. Customize the menu structure by creating drop-downs or nested items if needed. Set the menu location, e.g., primary menu, footer menu, where you want the menu to appear on your website. Save the menu once you're satisfied with the arrangement and settings. Tips and tricks for effective widget and menu management. Regular maintenance. Periodically review and update your widgets and menus to ensure they remain relevant and functional. Organization. Group related widgets and menu items logically to facilitate navigation and improve user experience. Performance optimization: limit the number of widgets and menu items to prevent clutter and maintain optimal website performance. Consistency: maintain consistency in design and layout across widgets and menus to create a cohesive visual experience. Testing: test your widgets and menus across different devices and browsers to ensure compatibility and responsiveness. User feedback: solicit feedback from users to identify areas for improvement and adjust widgets and menus accordingly. By following these steps and incorporating these tips into your website management routine, you'll be able to effectively add and manage widgets and menus, enhancing the functionality and usability of your website. Remember to continuously refine and optimize your website's layout and navigation based on user feedback and evolving needs. As we wrap up Class 7, we'll open the floor for a Q&A session in troubleshooting any widget and menu-related problems you may encounter. Here's what we'll cover. Addressing common issues with widgets and menus. We'll discuss common issues such as widgets not displaying correctly, menu items not linking properly, or styling conflicts between widgets and your website's theme. I'll provide guidance on how to troubleshoot and resolve these issues effectively. Answering participant questions and concerns. This is your opportunity to ask any questions or seek clarification on topics covered in today's class or related to widgets and menus in general. Whether you're struggling with a specific widget configuration or need advice on menu structure, feel free to ask, and I'll do my best to provide helpful insights. Troubleshooting widget and menu-related problems. If you're experiencing any specific problems with widgets or menus on your website, we'll work through them together. Whether it's identifying conflicting plugins, troubleshooting CSS styling issues, or diagnosing menu hierarchy problems, I'll provide step-by-step guidance to help you resolve the issue. By the end of this Q&A and troubleshooting session, you'll have gained additional insights into effectively leveraging widgets and menus to customize your website. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced website owner, addressing common issues and seeking solutions to specific challenges will further enhance your understanding and practical skills in website customization. Remember, the goal is to empower you to create user-friendly and visually appealing websites that meet your unique needs and those of your audience. So, don't hesitate to ask questions and seek assistance, it's all part of the learning process. Let's dive in and ensure you leave this class with a solid understanding and confidence in using widgets and menus to take your website customization to the next level.